Welcome back in this English workbook question answer session. In this session, we are to enjoy question answer of English workbook belonging to class 5 lesson 4 named What Was Her Name? Page number 30. Let us enjoy it. Question number C. Look at these phrases. Fill in the blanks to make complete sentences. First blank, that is a dash, at 4 o'clock. Similarly, dash in the corner, dash through the window, dash with an American accent, dash after school, dash down the main road, dash in our street, dash with pink icing. For your sake of simplicity, all these phrases have been completed with blue colored ink. Just watch and note it down accordingly. The bus will leave at 4 o'clock. Now it became a complete sentence. So is the case with rest of the phrases. Second, my seat is in the corner. Third, the thief escaped through the window. Fourth, living in the US for 5 years, they now speak with an American accent. Fifth, the meeting will be held after school. Sixth, the bank is down the main road. In this way, we are to learn more with the help of question and answer session. There are no stray dogs in our street. Eighth, please get the cake which is decorated with pink icing. In this way, it became completely answered. Now come to learn more with this question answer mode belonging to page number 31. Question A. Choose the right words to complete these sentences. For your sake of simplicity, answer part has been written with blue colored ink. It will enable you to identify the answer easily. First, the tired child slept. You have two options, loudly and soundly. Correct option is soundly, so you need to write soundly over here. Second, I, in bracket you have two options, fully and kindly. I dash understand your problem. It will be fully. Correct option is fully. Consequently, the sentence is I fully understand your problem. Third, Sheila was dash deeply or strongly hurt when her friends went to see the movie without her. Correct option is deeply. So you need to write Sheila was deeply hurt when her friends went to see the movie without her. Fourth, Saurabh dash sincerely or hurriedly hoped that he would not get into trouble. Correct option is sincerely, so you need to write sincerely over here. Consequently, it became Saurabh sincerely hoped that he would not get into trouble. Fifth, Radhika dash, you have two options, distinctly or freely remembered having locked the room. Radhika distinctly remembered having locked the room. Sixth, Sachin is dash freely or greatly admired for his achievements. Correct option is greatly, so it became Sachin is greatly admired for his achievements. Seventh, I dash firmly or flatly believe that hard work is the key to success. Correct option is firmly, consequently it became I firmly believe that hard work is the key to success. Eighth, her uncle is a dash in bracket highly or deeply successful businessman. Correct option is highly, consequently it became her uncle is a highly successful businessman. Now come to ninth. We were dash option bitterly or fully disappointed when our team lost the match. Correct option is bitterly, so it became we were bitterly disappointed when our team lost the match. Now come to learn more with the help of this question answer mode. 10th, I could not find the building, but the road seemed dash vaguely, fully or fully familiar. Correct answer is vaguely. So it could not find the building, but the road seemed vaguely familiar. Now come to question number B, that is put a tick against the right spelling and cross out the incorrect one. First, ceiling, correct, because its spelling is CEILING, ceiling. It is absolutely correct. So you need to tick it out, and incorrect is this one, CIELING, incorrect. So you need to cross it out. Second, chief, it is incorrect because the spelling is CHEIF. Correct spelling will be CHIEF, chief. So you need to tick it out. Shriek, SHRIEK, shriek is correct. Incorrect is SHREIK. It is incorrect. So you need to cross it out. Achieve, ACHEIV, achieve, correct. Height, correct spelling of height is HEIGST, height. So you need to tick it out, and incorrect one is HIEGST. So cross it out. Thanks for watching. See you in next class with new solution.